With over $1 billion in trading volume and 2,700 pairs for trading, this powerhouse of an exchange, insane for futures, and you do not want to miss what's up next. Let's get into it. Welcome back, everyone. So this is MEXC, and they've been around forever. They are just the largest in really altcoin inventory. They're number one. They are one of the top 10 exchanges, and they just are insane for futures, for crypto, for spots, for invite bonuses. I mean, look at right here. If you sign up, there's a link in the description. You can see that if you sign up, that you can get $20 in the futures for depositing 100, get $40 for depositing 200, 100 for 500, 200 for 1,000, and 500 for $2,500 in deposits for futures. So pretty neat stuff. They have all sorts of different benefits for being like a VIP, which is pretty sweet. You can check out their VIP options. I believe it's under your account. They also have some amazing things. I actually just needed to type in VIP, and it's right on the bottom here. So as you can see, a VIP, you get all sorts of benefits like 0% maker fees and a 60% discount on all fees. And if you compare that to other big exchanges like Binance, Bybit, BitGet, KuCoin, then or Gate.io, then you can see that they don't even compare to what MEXC offers as a VIP. But they also have their futures. You can see with USDT-M, they have over 500 futures to choose from. We have some fart coin here. We have BTC, ETH, Sol, ADA. We have XRP. We have Trump coin. We have all the major players. If we click on them, we can see the leverage that we can choose. So all the way up to 400 leverage, which is insane on BTC. But if we say, for instance, go down to like our leverage only goes to 50. So they definitely have leverage, high leverage altcoins and main coins for you to use. So definitely great options for you. And they also have all sorts of future competitions where you can earn even more and do spot trading. It is so insane. So as you can see, over 4,500 participants earning over $2 million. So the more participants, the more prize pools are increased, or unlocked rather. And they have all sorts of daily spins, daily rewards, future trading volume leaders, and P&L leaders. So all sorts of ways to earn some sweet, sweet money. So you don't want to miss out on the futures competition and what MEXC has with their futures program. So in summary, if you're really looking for a powerhouse of an exchange with an infinite amount of altcoins for you to trade, high leverage, lots of liquidity, top 10 exchange or even higher, like in the top 10 for this exchange, MEXC, this exchange just offers it all. So you definitely want to get in on this exchange if you haven't already. Like I said, all links are in the description. So if you want to take advantage of their futures, their invite bonuses, or their competition, you definitely don't want to miss out. Tell them I sent you. Until next time, guys, remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you